This is a great ride because you don't have to cross any streets. There's another electric bike. That dude went up that hill over there too fast, too easy, sitting on his bike seat. He just coasted up that beast like it was standing still. Throttle housing looks good. Get the dogs together day, huh? A little social gathering. The mirror seems to be a little high. Let me see, let me take a look at this mirror here. And the adjustment is good. Just seeing how I can make it a little bit better. Probably move it this way a little bit. It seems like it wants to hit my watch, my wrist a little bit too much. I mean, does it come into play here, gentlemen? But it will come into play when you're on a nasty ass trail up there in the high country of Utah. It's not terribly bad, at least I do like the look behind me. It's right dead spot on. When you do the off-road thing, the mirror should come off, but when you finally do get that mirror set on there perfectly, you don't want to be taking it on and off, you know what I'm saying? You just want to leave it there. And it's not going to break unless you wipe out like I did. Oh, here we go with all the bugs biting you, mosquitoes. Just had a bug take my shin out now, and my eyelash. Raising Cane's. It's funny, man. We're over there but at Starbucks getting our treat last night, and several nights, but you got cars backed up going into Raising Cane's. I mean, a steady stream of cars, right? That place used to be cheap, by the way, or cheaper, way cheaper. Good boys. But they raised their prices, and people still come there in droves. Anyways, they're all lined up going to Raising Cane's. And Carl's Jr., nobody. Del Taco, very few. Del Taco more than Carl's Jr. Mosquito nets on those ladies. How fashionable. Well, we do have some mosquitoes in the valley now, more than normal. A new hybrid type mosquito. Probably planted here by exterminators. It's good for business for them. Well, we've had some motorcycle deaths here in Vegas over the last several weeks. Guys riding a stolen motorcycle, fast, ran a red light, killed. It's called karma, gentlemen, karma. I can only take so much. It cracks me up, man. You know, people block the sidewalk. Like, wow, you gotta be careful there, man. If you stand up right there, you might eat your fucking head. On this 29er, you might. Cops. How you doing? Just another beautiful morning, guys. We're about to wrap it up. I had my fill. GoPro, stop recording.